Namo Namah. Learning Sanskrit by verses. Number 55. Asato Ma Sadgamaya. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar. Mumbai, Thursday, April 30th, 2020. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya. Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya. मृत्योर्मामृतंगमय ओम शांति शांति शांति. You may pause the video here, note down the subhashitam and do padachhedaha by yourself. My padachhedaha: Om asataha ma sat gamaya, tamasaha ma jyotihi gamaya, मृत्योः मा अमृतं गमय. ओम शांति शांति शांति. पदच्छेदाननु वाक्यपदीयाभ्यास तालिका. तालिका टैब्युलेशन. अभ्यास स्टडी. वाक्यपदीयाभ्यास क्लॉज वाइज स्टडी. पदच्छेदाननु subsequent to पदच्छेदा. The columns here are अव्ययानि, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, क्रियापदीयाः. The sequence of कर्तृपदीयाः, कर्मपदीयाः, क्रियापदीयाः is subject, object, verb, SOV, because that is the sequence which is normally there in Sanskrit text. Om asataha tvam मा सत् गमय, तमसः त्वं मा ज्योतिः गमय, मृत्योः त्वं मा अमृतं गमय. ओम शान्तिः 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 अस्तु. असतः मा सद्गमय. लीड मी फ्रॉम असत टू सत. असतः असत नपुंसकलिंगम. अत्र पंचमी एकवचनम. नोट न सत इति असत, न तत्पुरुष. देन व्हाट इज सत? सत अत्र नपुंसकलिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. सत इक्वल टू बीइंग. एज शत्रंतम ऑफ अस द्वितीय गणीय परस्मैपदी टू बी. सत ऑल्सो मीन्स ट्रू. सत ऑल्सो मीन्स gentle. And accordingly, asat also will have three meanings. Ma asmat sarvanam द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनम. गमय गम इति धातु प्रथम गणीयः परस्मैपदी. तस्य णिचः लोट मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम. असतः मा सद्गमय. Lead me from not being to being. Note, from not being means from being a non-believer, from being an atheist, Nastic. Then to being means to be a believer, to be a theist, Astic. By taking the second meaning, hence asataha ma sadgamaya. Lead me from untruth to truth. And third meaning, asataha ma sadgamaya means lead me from being rogue to being gentle. Tamasaha ma jyotihi gamaya. Lead me from darkness to light. Note, in philosophy, darkness connotes ignorance, ajnanam. In turn, light means knowledge, jnanam. तमसः तमस नपुंसकलिंगम. डार्कनेस अत्र पंचमी विभक्ति एकवचनम. ज्योतिः ज्योतिष नपुंसकलिंगम. एटिमोलॉजी इज गिवन एज द्युत इसुन आदेर दस यजः और जुत इसुन वा. हेंस ज्योतिष मीन्स लाइट. अत्र द्वितीया एकवचनम. मृत्योः मा अमृतं गमय. Lead me from death to immortality. Mrityoho, mrityu, pullingam, death. Atra panchami ekvachanam. Amrutam, namrutam, naitat purusha. Note, mruta is mrukta. Mru shashtamganiha atmanepadi, to die. So mrutam, amrutam, atra napusakalingam, dvitiya ekvachanam. Shantihi, astu, may peace be. Shantihi, peace, strilingam. Astu, as, द्वितीय गणीयः परस्मैपदी, to be. अत्र लोट प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम्. I had written note here in front of Shanti. I have wanted to make some notes, but those notes I have taken up later in my Swadhyaya. We will come to that. Chando Vishleshanam, metrical analysis. There is only Padatraya Matra, 3 quarters. So they cannot also be called as quarter. We may still do some metrical analysis. Asatoma Sadgamayo, Ashtaksharani. And their matras are Eka Eka, Dve Dve Dve, Eka Eka Eka, Kulataha Ekadasha Matraha. Tamasoma Jyotirgamayo, Nava Aksharani. Eka Eka, Dve 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 Dve, Eka Eka Eka, Kulataha Trayodasha Matraha. Mrityorma Mrutangamayo, Ashtaksharani. Dve Dve Dve, Eka Dve Eka, Eka Eka, Kulataha Dvadasha Matraha. The count of matras and the number of letters all are different. I have known of a 4th quarter also. And Anrutanma Rutangamayo, Nava Aksharani. And then matraha Eka Eka Dve Dve, Eka Dve Eka, Eka Eka. Kulataha 12 matraha, Dvadasha matraha. With the 4th quarter, the meter comes close to a Vedic meter Jagati, which has 12 matraha per quarter. Being a mantraha 1328 in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, I checked the Vedic meter. And the Vedic meter seems close enough to the Jagati meter. Swadhyaya, notes of self-study. This mantra is 1328 in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, which is Shukla Yajurvediya. This mantra is also known as Pavamana mantra. Note, Pavamana is Shanach Krudantam of Pu Pavate, Prathamaganiyaha Atmanepadi, to purify. Pavamana, purifying. Every sentence in this mantra seeks purification from different negativities which afflict us from time to time or together also. In a way, we have 4 sets of antonyms. Asat, Sat, Mrityuhu, Amrutam, Tamas, Jyotis, also Anrutam, Rutam. The words Sat, Satyam and Rutam are closely related as one can see them in succession of each other in Rutam Vachmi, Satyam Vachmi, in Ganapatya Tharvashesham. Note, Ruta means proper, right, honest. Truth also is right, is also honest, but may not be proper all the time. So that is how Ruta is closely related with Sat, Satyam, truth, but is yet a shade different. And hence, in Ganapatya Tharvashesham, they have the mantra Rutam Vachmi, Satyam Vachmi. The sequence can as well be as Asatoma Sadgamaya, Anrutanma Rutangamaya, bringing Sat and Ruta close by. Then Mrityorma Mrutangamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, keeping Sat and Rutam close by. The mantra is a prayer soliciting lead me to. To whom the prayer is addressed is not clear. Namanavakyam of Gita is Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. This mantra can also be a prayer to Paramatma. That brings to mind 205 Manate Shlok, Advices to the Mind, by Sant Ramdas, 17th century precept of Maratha king Shivaji Maharaj. This mantra also a prayer to Paramatma and advices to mind. Interestingly, the word asataha is pullingam dvitiya bahujanam also of asat. Then asato ma gamaya, do not let me go to any asat, ma sadgamaya, lead me to sat only. The word gamaya is also interesting. It is lot of niche of gum, imperative of causative. Asataha then can be referring to distractions which cause the mind to go awry. So, Sadgamaya would then mean, may I be on the right path. There is a tradition of bowing to elders when going out. They in turn would bless you, Shubhaste Santu Panthanaha. May it be a happy and successful journey. Isn't it good to have elders at home to whom you can pay your obeisances and seek their blessings? The more I muse on Mrityormam Mrutangamayo, more I get to contend that Amrutam should not be taken to mean immortality. To me, Amrutam means freedom from fear about anxiety, fear about death, anxiety about death. What can death do to me if I have no fear or anxiety about it? Isn't Amrutam that freedom from fear or anxiety about death? I like the sequence to have Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya at the end because Jyoti connotes brilliance, brightness. Gita 14:11 reads, Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate. When the whole body is aglow, what more, what better would one pray for? Can there be any affliction of corona or any other virus in that state when the whole body is aglow? Of course, being eligible for that state, being eligible to be so blessed, would require great, dedicated, devout sadhana, spiritual practice, tapaha, penance. Great souls engaged in penance have no anxieties of COVID-19 or whatever. For them, such things are matters which will come and go. Though there is Magamaya, lead me, in every line, is it self-centered? Anyone who studies and understands the prayer and becomes prayerful is welcome to say the mantra and pray, is welcome to be that I. Also, just because the mantra is in Sanskrit, that does not make it Hindu. All mantras are eternal and universal. The mantra ends as Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This ending is not there at 1.3.28 in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad because the Upanishad does not end there. But if a mantra is recited by itself, it is good tradition to have this ending Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Actually, at 1.3.28 in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, the mantra does not start with Om either. It is again a good tradition that you begin chanting of a mantra with Om. Beginning it with Om would make us mindful about the chanting. The ending Om, Shanti Shanti Shanti, also has Om, which is sort of a cross check that we have been mindful all along. Then there is Shanti 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 3 times. It has been a convention that tripling of a word or of a phrase is hint of ending. This convention of tripling is practiced even in Indian classical music. But Shanti 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 3 times at the end of a mantra is more meaningful also. Our life is sufferance from 3 types of afflictions. A. Adhibhautik, afflictions from worldly creations. For example, corona or even a mosquito bite. A mosquito also is a worldly creation and it can cause affliction. B. Adhidaivik. For example, crash in the stock market. That is fateful. So, Adhidaivik, affliction. Adhyatmik, ego hindering spiritual progress is Adhyatmik, spiritual affliction. Shanti 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 3 times is praying for peace from all afflictions. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 at gmail.com. Shubhamastu.